are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Shanjita Jannat Sadia.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Shohel Rana.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Maushumi.
What do you reading?
I read in class 4.
What's your from? Where you from?
I am from Parbatipur.
What's your food?
My favorite food.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is banana.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
What do you do? When do you do in the morning? When do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
When do you go to school?
I go to school for 8 o'clock.